We sell a lot of certified chemical peels here at Platinum Skincare. That means that we sometimes have different types of closures on our vials. So here's a quick rundown on how to open each bottle. Now I have 3 bottles here. I have 2 of our 5 ml bottles and 1 of our 2-ounce bottles. Now you'll notice that one is slightly larger than the other. That does not mean that it has more solution though. They're both filled equally to exactly 5 ml. Each has a safety seal, and I'm going to show you how to open them. Our first has a wraparound pull tab. Just grab and rip it off. Now your bottle will open and can be resealed as needed. Our second has a traditional medical seal. So just grab this tab, flip it up, and tear it off. And now you can just remove this. You're going to open it, pour your solution, and then put that right back on and stick it back in your peel box. Now here's our 2-ounce. This has a phenolic cap on it. Just unscrew it, close it back up again, nice and tight. Now remember to store your peels in a cool, dark place like a closet or a medicine cabinet. And remember, keep them safely away from children and animals. Do you still have more questions? Just reach out to us. We're here to help you.